Welcome. Today I'll give you a tutorial and walkthrough of Grafema. Grafema is an AI sales agent that you can set up in 5 minutes and have work for you autonomously 24/7. So let's get onto the platform, see how it works, then talk about pricing and alternatives. So sign up is pretty simple. You need to first teach Grafema about your business. So you add your information, your website, LinkedIn, and then you'll chat to the bot. So for example, as you can see, it's asking me the most important products for Salesforge. I would say Agent Frank. It's autonomous. You click send, you simply have a chat with it as if it's your friend, right? Of course, you probably don't have conversations like these with your friends, but you know what I mean. As you can see, it's asking about the product, it's asking our ICP, it will probably ask about pain points, it's asking about our goal, right? Like I said, it's asking for our unique selling point, right? What makes our product better from everyone else's. All right, you talk to it, let the bot know everything about your product, and then it will be ready. You click yes, take me to the dashboard, you'll get redirected, you then subscribe, and the bot is ready to work for you, right? Now you're probably thinking, well, subscribing, how much does it cost? Grafema is 99 bucks a month. Probably one of the most affordable ways to take a step into AI agents taking over your sales pipeline, right? Now, if you're looking for something more, something that's fully fledged out, then you can take a peep at Agent Frank. Agent Frank is also an AI sales agent where it covers everything like lead generation, infrastructure setup, hyper-personalized message generation, response handling, objection handling. It does everything till it books a sales call, and it starts at 500 bucks a month. I compared Agent Frank with other top AI sales agents in a video right here, so you can take a look and see how Agent Frank compares to 11x, Artisan, AI SDR, and all of those well-known players in the game. Now, if you want me to review any other tool, please let me know down in the comments below. If you have any questions, also let me know down in the comments below, unless you find other way to message me. I hope you don't knock on my door. With that being said, have a good one and peace.